Dear student, welcome to NIVS Home School. Hope you are doing well at your home. This is Ayesha Siddiqua Sara, Assistant Teacher of Arts and Craft at National Ideal English Version School Morning Shift. Today I am going to take a class for class 1 and this one is your first art class in 2022. That means everyone look at the class very carefully and look that how the floating duck you draw easily. Okay, now look at the screen. You know how to write number 2. First write this and then give a line like this. After that go and back like this line. Okay, and then give the beak and give an eyes. After that give the wave like this and complete your duck. Okay, this is very easy very easy. So if you practice at your home, this one is practice. Look at this, what type of wrong you do. Draw like this and give like this, but draw like this. This one is bad and wrong. Everyone look at the screen again. When you draw, just give like this line. Okay, and then draw line. This one is your HW also. HW number 1. Everyone when do the HW, you must mention the HW number. HW number and class number 1 is very important to mention. So dear student, your HW submitted date is every Saturday 9 AM to 3 PM. Practice more for your perfection. No more today. Thank you.